With the aim to enhance sports infrastructure across Meghalaya, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya Shri Conrad K. Sangma, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Shri Preston Tinsong, Honorable Sports Minister Shri Bante Dorlingdo, Honorable Urban Affairs Minister Shri Sneha Bhalangdhar, and Honorable MLA Shri Wahiajer Miki Shilla laid foundation for the Wahiajer Multi-Sports Complex. The project is funded through State Plan Scheme and Sports Authority of India's KHLO
my
India
friend
Infrastructure Scheme, and
and
the
the
cost of the
Honorable
project
Minister
is
in
rupees
charge
24
of
crores 97
Sports and
lakhs
Youth Affairs.
11,000. Honorable Chief Minister asserted that the provision for sports infrastructure will help hone the skills of sporting talents from the area and will encourage the use of the
Deputy
state to take
Commissioner,
up sports as a career. The
sir,
sports infrastructure would
because
benefit
of
the
your
various youth educational
sincere
institutions, clubs, and sports
heartbeat,
association in
get
Wahiajer to organize and conduct
these
regular competitions
things
and tournaments.
as we dream
The elements
before.
of
Thank
the
you so
project
much.
include the development of an
With this,
AIFF
straight away,
certified
let's start
synthetic
our
football
program
turf,
by welcoming
AFI
our
certified
esteemed
synthetic
chief.
athletic
Welcome us all.
tracks,
May I request
VIP and
Shri O.S.
spectator seating
Philro,
galleries,
Assistant
modern
Head
changing room
Sound, to give his
facilities,
welcome
office
address.
spaces, and circulation areas.
And a very, very important project for not just this area and not just this constituency, but for the whole of Jaintia Hills district. Friends, I would like to, at the very outset, congratulate the sports department for the tremendous work that they are doing to build up sports and, as was mentioned, to take it to greater heights. And there has been a lack of good infrastructure for sports throughout our state. There has also been a neglect in this particular sector in many fronts. We have the talent. We have the youngsters who desire to not just play sports, but to take sports as a career. But because of the lack of infrastructure, the lack of proper training, many dreams are left unfulfilled. I remember when we had taken over the government and we had a meeting to discuss about the sports policy. I was told that a sports person who would receive a medal in the national games would be given 7,000 rupees from the state government. Now, I'm not saying that money is important, but it does make a difference. A sports person who wins a medal at the national games, if you go to other states, they get lakhs and lakhs as a mark of respect and also to boost their spirit. As soon as we came into the government, we came out with a sports policy. We made changes. And today, depending on the medal that you get, that 1,000 has been converted, at least for the beginning, into lakhs. 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs. A mark of recognition for us sports people, a small recognition. But it goes a long way in telling the sports people, the sportsmen that we have, that we recognize you.